Don't leave home without it. Fly higher. Revel in more of life's moments. Membership has its privileges. Elevate your travel. Don't live life without it. Don't live life without it? Are you fucking kidding me? We're talking about a credit card, right? Yeah, we are. The American Express Platinum Card. One of the most expensive, most pompous, most overhyped credit cards available. Or is it? Join me as I dive into the AMEX Platinum Card. Let's see if we can uncover some hidden secrets of the Platinum Card which might make it more than a pretentious piece of metal. I'm guessing you've heard of the Platinum Card before. Maybe you've heard about its coveted airport lounge access that will keep you from having to suffer at the gate with the masses, fighting for a charging station in an uncomfortable chair while shelling out $15 for a bottle of water that you couldn't bring with you through security in the first place. Maybe you know about sky-high annual fee of $695 that you swallow behind your smile every time someone sounds like George Takei when you pull out that silver sliver.
Oh my.
Perhaps you know about all the coupons you can clip off it as you tell your wife that's a really good value because you know how to take advantage of its benefits. And you know what? All those things are true. That's what is widely known about the Platinum Card. But that's not all there is to it. And there is more to the Travel Points family than this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up to date with how to take advantage of credit cards and take your family farther for less. We're really trying to get the channel to grow, and every subscription matters. Go ahead and help us out. Click that subscribe button. With the Platinum Card, you get an annual $200 airline credit, an annual $199 Clear Plus credit, and a credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck. You'll earn 5x membership rewards points on flights purchased directly with the airline. And of course, you can think about all these benefits while sitting in your Centurion Lounge or Delta Sky Club, sipping on a complimentary drink or 7. But what about how you book those flights? Hopefully you know that you can transfer those membership reward points to American Express travel partners. Secret number 1. You have access to more airlines than the ones listed as American Express transfer partners. Book American Airlines flights through Qantas or British Airways. Book United flights through Air Canada. Use the airline alliances, Oneworld, Star Alliance, and SkyTeam. And that leads us to secret number 2. If you need help using the airline alliances, American Express and Point.me are there to help you. Open a new window in your browser and go to amex.point.me. Log in with your American Express credentials, then type in your desired travel dates and let the options flow. It's not as fast as Google Flights, but the search isn't as simple either. And it doesn't matter whether it's a domestic flight or an international one, you'll get helped out either way. But once you land, how are you driving around? Where are you going to stay? The Platinum Card grants you benefits with rental car companies and hotel loyalty programs. Specifically, you can access free car upgrades and price discounts from Avis, Hertz, and National. And for your stays, you receive gold status in the Hilton Honors and Marriott Bonvoy programs. Hilton Gold entitles you to a daily food and beverage credit and opens the possibility of room upgrades. Gold status with the Marriott Bonvoy program allows you to secure room upgrades, welcome gifts, and late checkouts. But what if you're not staying at a Marriott or a Hilton? Well, secret number 3. Please allow me to introduce the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. There are 2 parts to this. 3A is a $200 credit on reservations of 2 or more nights. 3B, what if you want to go stay at the Grand Hyatt Tokyo, but you're not a Hyatt globalist? Well, really, how do you even live with yourself? But here's where 3B comes in. When you book through the Fine Hotels and Resorts program, it's like you have top-tier status wherever you are staying. At the Grand Hyatt Tokyo, you get early check-in and late, 4 p.m. late checkout. You'll also receive a room upgrade, when available, and a daily breakfast for 2, and a $125 property credit. The Fine Hotels and Resorts program cares as much about the experience as it does about the room. But if secret flight, hotel, and car rental benefits aren't enough, let's talk about secret number 4, the Cruise Privileges program. Now, there's some variation here depending on which cruise line you're sailing on and which category of room you book. But if you use the Cruise Privileges program, you get a couple extra benefits on your next cruise. First, you're going to get between $100 and $300 of onboard credit. If you happen to have the Centurion card, the fabled black card, you can get up to $500 of onboard credit. If you have the Centurion card, send a picture of it to ryan@travelpointsfamily.com. I'd love to see it. In the picture, make sure the number, expiration date, and security code are all perfectly clear. And don't forget to include your billing address in the email. You'll never notice, I promise. Also included with the Cruise Privileges program are special amenities. These can range from a plate of chocolate-covered strawberries to a behind-the-scenes ship tour to a premium wine tasting event. Land, air, or sea, the Platinum Card has you covered. It's no secret that you don't earn a ton of membership rewards points with the Platinum Card, but there is still a way to top off those MR points while you are shopping. Secret number 5. Earning MR points with Rakuten. Rakuten is an online shopping portal that provides cash back when you make a purchase. Online stores give Rakuten a commission for every purchase through their platform. Then Rakuten gives you a cut of that. But you have the option to turn your cash back into MR points. If you link your American Express and Rakuten accounts, you will have MR points deposited into your Amex account whenever you make a purchase. I do have a referral link to Rakuten. It's down in the description of this video. If you use it, you get $30 for signing up. Unless you link your Amex account, then you'll get 3,000 MR points. I know which one I take. It's the MR points. Secret number 6 of the Platinum Card is that it helps you sleep better. Seriously, you simply place this wonderful piece of metal into your pillowcase and all your dreams will be tinted a wonderful shade of silver. Oh, well, platinum. But if you're like me and enjoy watching TV before bed, it will also get you Paramount Plus so that you can binge Yellow Jackets or Lioness. Yeah, those will help you fall asleep. Ask Nicole. Paramount Plus comes with a Walmart Plus membership, which comes with the Platinum Card, but you do have to enroll. So yeah, the Platinum Card for American Express is loaded with perks, benefits, and credits. Some of them are more well known than others. If you decide to apply for it, it's up to you to maximize the value you get from it. Maybe you get enough value from your point earnings and lounge access, but maybe you want a little more. As long as you feel you're getting good value from the card, you're fine. But I hope that some of these lesser known benefits show you that there are ways to really optimize the Platinum Card. And if you found some value from this video, I hope you'll like it and consider subscribing to the channel. For some more insights into maximizing your credit cards, and for maybe taking your family farther for less, check out this video here. Thanks for spending some of your time with me. I always appreciate it. And until next time, safe travels.